In 2099, Earth ran out of oil, gas, coal. All energy was gone.
Solar and wind collapsed as the climate shifted.
The world fell into a permanent energy crisis. Until humanity discovered a living power source.
The electric eel, capable of producing up to 860 volts.
This is the Mega Eel electricity production facility. Built inside Earth's last freshwater zone. Today, we enter the factory that powers the future. Every spark inside these walls keeps cities alive. This is the heart of the bioelectric future. They are transported through secure water channels.
Each eel undergoes a full health scan.
The process begins by choosing the strongest eels. Their heartbeat decides their voltage output.
Body temperature must remain perfectly stable.
Their heartbeat decides their voltage output.
Their heartbeat decides their voltage output.
Every detail is logged into the AI system.
Nutrition controls electricity strength. These creatures are carefully prepared for power production. Water quality directly affects voltage stability. Weak eels are removed instantly. Ultrafilters remove microscopic particles.
Microbe readings must be near zero.
Mineral boosters increase electrical performance. Finally, each eel receives a digital identity tag.
Eels are moved into the mega power tanks.
These tanks are specially designed to harvest electricity.
Electrodes collect every electric pulse. Each spark is captured and amplified.
AI monitors their swimming pattern.
Every cable carries live bioelectricity. Stabilizers prevent power overload. Temperature must remain optimal. Robots clean the tanks automatically. Eels produce more power when synchronized. Voltage peaks trigger alert signals.
Surge protectors keep the system safe.
Engineers inspect the electrode arrays.
Drones monitor the water from above. Food is dropped automatically to eels at intervals.
Oxygen flow keeps the tank alive. During power surges, output can triple. Energy output is tracked every second.
This is nature's most powerful spark. Electricity is pulled from the tank.
The energy travels through crystal tubes.
Converters stabilize the banded electric eel electricity.
Cooling systems prevent overheating.
Every discharge is measured manually.
Capacitors store short-term electricity.
AI calculates how much energy is stored. Surge algorithms protect the grid.
Magnetic fields help stabilize voltage.
Bioelectric batteries charge rapidly. When full, systems redirect power.
Engineers fine-tune the converters.
Grounding wire checks are essential.
Backup units activate during shortages.
Emergency systems are tested daily.
Emergency systems are tested daily.
Extra power is converted into hydrogen.
When power is stable, it's ready for delivery. Modules are transported across the plant. Drones help move heavy energy cells. Power enters the distribution chamber. Massive cables connect to the main grid.
Connectors lock the modules safely.
Transformers step up the voltage.
A full map of the surviving cities.
Electricity begins its long journey. Towers transport the bioelectric charge.
Cities light up from electric eel power.
Voltage stabilizes across districts.
It looks like pure lightning.
Engineers verify grid synchronization.
Some regions export stored energy.
This energy is 100% renewable.
Eel electricity powers the last smart cities.
Energy packs are loaded onto trucks.
Drones deliver power to remote zones.
Electric forklifts run on eel electricity too.
Lighting shifts improve eel mood.
Nothing is wasted in this future system.
This is humanity's last source of electricity.
A world powered not by machines, but by nature.